Do you know your role as a wife? Do you know your role as a husband? And do you know your role as a child in the family? I ask this question because when you know your role in the family, it helps to sustain the peace and tranquility in the home. My name is Sandra Ezeji Anyele. I am your Marriage Foundation reality coach. I want to say welcome to my old subscribers, and I want to say, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this is a life-changing channel. First of all, I have missed you guys. Yes, I've missed you guys, because for some time, almost 2 weeks now, I've not created any content. Yes, we had some little challenges, but by God's grace, we have tried to fix it. So today, I want us to talk about something that nobody, even your parents, never talked about. My own parents did not talk about them, but they are very, very important. Yes, they are important because when you understand this simple formula, it will help you in running the affairs in your home. This video, I want to divide it into 3 parts because I don't want it to be very long. Today, we are going to talk about the husbands, the father in the home. Yes, that's how we are going to do it. Then the next video will be about the wife. Then the other one will be about the children. Yes, everyone has a role to play. First and foremost, I want to demystify something. When you are employed in an organization, even upon interview, they will tell you what they call job description. They will tell you, we have taken you, these are the things that you need to do. You are supposed to know what you are supposed to do in an organization. You don't have to derail. You have to do it exactly the way you were told. Even when you want to, fit in, maybe your colleague is not around or something, there's a way you will still do it. You don't have to usurp that person's position because it is not your job. The same thing is applicable in families. Yes, it is the same thing. Let me tell you something. God is a God of not disorder. He's a God of organization. In fact, it was God that started the first structure. He started the first structure because he placed the man, the father, he placed him in his position. He placed the woman in his position. And he placed the children in their position too. Are you surprised to hear that? These things are simple. It's just that, let me say, ignorance has made it look difficult. But right now, we are trying to explain it so that people coming after us will get it right. Today, I'm going to concentrate on the men. I am going to concentrate on the husbands. I am going to concentrate on the fathers. Do you know your role as a father? First and foremost, I want to explain that the word father in Hebrew word, it means a source and a sustainer. So it means that if you are a source, you must also sustain what you have sourced. That's just the truth. You should also, as a man, know that the woman was created out of you and not the other way around. So if truly the woman was created out of you, it means that you are somehow a leader in your household. In fact, let me not even say somehow, you are the leader. Then if you are a leader, you must lead by example. Now, do you know that as a leader, you are the one that holds the key? You have the power to the key in your household. Do you know that? Let us not deceive ourselves any longer. Because when a girl is getting married, they will tell you as the wife, you should build your home. As the wife, you should hold your home. As the wife, you are the one that... No! Please don't turn it upside down. The institutor of marriage has given the man the sole right to be the head of his household. Please don't do it like this. Know your role. When a man knows his role in his household, it goes a long way to sustaining the peace and tranquility in the home. It's because the man doesn't know his role. It's because the man doesn't know what he is supposed to do in the home. That is why families are going haywire. Now, do you also know that as a father in your household, you are the glue? You are the glue that binds your family members together. Do you know that? Are you surprised to hear that? So, if you want to maintain peace and tranquility in your home, please maintain that glue. You are the head. Remain the head. You are the head. You have been placed in that position for a reason. Please remain the head. And as somebody who is the head, you are the one that is supposed to, tell your family, tell your household, show how your household will be run. Your wife is not the head. It is what you discuss with your wife. Both of you will come together and make a decision. So like I said, you are the head. God has made you the head. So be the head by leadership, by the way you make decisions, by the way you take care of your household. Be the bond that holds your family together. And because you are the bond, and because you are the source and sustainer, you are supposed to take care of your household. You are supposed to protect your household. You are supposed to provide for your household. If, for instance, like I gave the illustration, something is, you are found wanting somehow, it does not mean that your wife coming in to help you, it does not mean that that is her position. She's only trying to help you. So you should not, shift your role to your wife. Maintain your role. That your wife is coming in to help you is entirely different from usurping your position as the head of the home. I keep saying it. When we do the things we are supposed to do, there won't be problems in marriages. But unfortunately, we were not told this. The only thing we were told when we are getting married is, when you go, make sure that as a wife, you hold your family. As a wife, you will be patient. As a wife, no. These things are important. But the core thing, we are not told the core thing. I am telling you the core things now, because this is based on experience. When you do what you are supposed to do as a man, when you do what you are supposed to do as a husband in your home, there will not be rancor. I tell you with all sincerity that there will not be rancor. Don't shift your position as the man. You are the one to hold your home. You are the one to, glue your home together so that everybody will be happy. Try to sustain your source. You can check it out. The Hebrew word for father is a source and a sustainer. Yes, you have a source, you have to sustain that source, because if you don't sustain that source, it will be a problem. When you don't know your role in your home, it becomes the problem. So know your role. Like I said, this is going to be a short and straightforward video. Yes, it's going to be short and straightforward so that it will sink in. The video has been divided into 3 parts. Today I'm talking about the men, I'm talking about the husbands. These things are not rocket science. Do your part. Every individual in the home should do his or her part, and everything will be fine. There is a structure, there is a hierarchy. The greatest gift you can give to a man is respect. The greatest gift you can give to a woman is love. That is as simple as that. Do your own part, I do my own part, and everybody will be fine. I don't want to make this video very long, but I hope I've made the salient point. Please think about it. Go through this video 1 more time, 2 more times, so that it will sink deeper. Please, these things are simple when you do the right thing at the right time. Fathers, husbands, maintain your role. Know your role so that everything will be fine in your home front. If this video has made sense, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want this video to go to reach as many people as possible so that they will understand their roles in the home. So that we'll stop having issues in families. So that we'll stop having problems in families. Do your own part, I do my own part, and everybody will be fine. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video.